Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the patron saint of India's civil servants for having established the modern All Indian Services system. He is also called the unifier of India. The Central Vigilance Commission observes the Vigilance Week from 27 October to 2 November 2020. This is observed every year during the week in the birthday of Sardar Patel on 31st October falls. This awareness week campaign affirms our commitment to the promotion of integrity and probity in public life through citizen participation. It is being observed with the theme Samriddh Bharat, Satark Bharat, Vigilant India, Prosperous India.
Corruption has been one of the major obstacles to our economic, political and social progress of our country. All stakeholders such as government, citizens and private sector need to be work hard and need to be work together to eradicate corruption. Every citizen should vigilant and commit to highest standard of honesty and integrity at all times and support fight against corruption.
Vigilance Awareness Week is being celebrated every year and coincides with the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a man of high integrity. In order to encourage people to fight against corruption that has become a fatal disease and that is needed to be uprooted from the society for its prosperity. For this, Indian government has started this program in 2013 in order to generate awareness among the people and about ill effects of corruption. Corruption undermines political and economical development of a country. Indian government has started this program in pursuit its dream of making new India by the year 2022.
As we know that Vigilance Awareness Week is being celebrated in our country every year and it coincides with the birth date of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Its main purpose is to generate the public awareness for the ill effects of corruption. Building a new India is not possible as long as there exists an evil in our country called corruption. Corruption is just like a ball of snow, which one sets on, it keeps on spreading. And for our country like India, the corruption has wings, not wheels. Don't you think so? It's an obstacle that hinders the pace of development.
Again, in his view, corrupt India was unsuccessful India. Sardar Patel opined that corruption was a cancer. In his view, eternal vigilance is the price of eternal development. He also believed that in our democracy, there should be no room for corruption.
Impossible as long as there is the cancer of corruption in it. Corruption is an obstacle that the people of country must
must overcome to be the happy nation. The national goals of economic prosperity, infrastructural development. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am going to talk about the current scenario of vigilance in India. Of course, when we are talking about vigilance, we cannot forget the name of the patron saint of Indian bureaucrats, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I must tell you that it was Sardar Patel who had conceived the All India services. He wanted the services to be free from all corruption, but unfortunately that was not the case to be. From time to time, different governments at the central and at the state level have tried to enforce strict laws for combating corruption.